Good evening to you all. Myself P.S. Ravi Raja. We are discussing about two microprocessor. What they mean for microprocessor? The microprocessor is the major components of computer, and the releasing a microprocessor by a integrated circuit. And microprocessor types in input and output memory. Next, what the meaning for microprocessor? What the meaning for microprocessor means uh, input ALU and register ALU and register output. ALU means what? The ALU is perform the such add subtraction, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Logical and uh, main components of microprocessor ALU control unit and register. ALU means what? The ALU is performed such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Next, logical unit. Control unit overall the operations of computers. Register means what? The register means the operation instruction of data to execute the processor. Next, the characteristics of microprocessor means what? There are three types of clock speed, instruction, word size. Clock speed. The clock speed means the clock speed. Every microprocessor has an internal clock. Every microprocessor has an internal clock. Next, the clock speed measuring the megahertz and gigahertz. Next, instruction set. Instruction set means what? A command which perform data of computer is called instruction set. Instruction types: arithmetic operation, logical operation, input and output devices, and control flow. Next, the word size means what? The word size means word size means the number of bits of quantity is called word size. The word size of is called executing RAM. Accessed by is called microprocessor. Thank you.